Hello? I cannot hear them.
Hello.
There. Good afternoon. Everything is working now.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please?
Okay. So do you see our share? Can you see it there? Okay. So this afternoon, we're going to have our first topic. So it's about, do you have your book with you guys? So welcome to our science class today. And we're gonna have the following. So our first topic this semester is about nutrition, okay? And the basic nutrition, we're going to discuss about the basic nutrition, the classes of nutrients, and function of nutrients. Okay. So in your class, or we will have a game. Find someone who, okay? You tell me if who are the people or who is the tallest student in your class. Who do you think is the tallest student in the class? If you know the answer, you can unmute your microphone and you can tell me who is the tallest in the class. Or you can type it there in our chat box, who is the tallest in the class. And then, who's the shortest? Who do you think is the shortest in the class? And who is the thin? And chubby, and the chubby one. Who's the chubby and who's the shortest? Okay. Anyone can answer? So let's move on. So why do you think we have different body size? Why do you think we have different body sizes? You can answer me. You can unmute your microphone.
Because we are not the same.
Yes, very good, because we are not the same. What else?
It's from a genetic.
Okay, very good, based from our genetics. And what else?
Food.
Okay, very good. So we have different body sizes. Very good. P, is that P who answered a while ago? So because of the different kinds of nutrients that we can get from the food that we eat or from our food. Okay, now think about this one. Can you see the picture there? Do you see the picture?
Yes.
Okay. Can a car move without a fuel? By not pushing it, okay? Yes or no? Can a car move without fuel?
No.
No, very good. Why do you think? Because the fuel gives energy to the car, so that's why it can move. Same as with our body. So our body For us to grow, our body needs, what do you think we need? We need a nutrition, okay? And what is nutrition? So nutrition is important for our body to survive. And it's very important for energy growth, development, and immunity and maintenance for our body. So where can we get these nutrients? So we can get these nutrients from the food that we eat, okay? So that keeps us healthy and strong. What about nutrients? What is it? Okay, nutrient is a chemical substance in food that helps maintain the body from and some nutrients provide energy and it helps build our cells and tissues. And also nutrients repair or it helps us to grow, repair, and maintain all the body cells. And it also regulates body processes. And of course, it supplies energy. So there are 6 classification of nutrients or the important nutrients for our body. So the first one is carbohydrates. The second one is fats. And the third one is protein, vitamins, minerals, and of course, water. So these are the 6 classification or types of nutrients that our body needs. So let's discuss it one by one, okay? So what is a carbohydrate? This is the key to energy source. And it helps our liver and muscles. So what do you think are the 2 kinds of carbohydrates? Do you have any idea? What are the 2 kinds of carbohydrates that we have? If you have your book, you can look at your book, okay?
Rice.
Anyone?
Rice.
Rice is an example of food that rich in carbohydrates. But what I'm asking is, what are the 2 types of carbohydrates? What do you think? There are 2 kinds or types of carbohydrates.
Sugar and starch.
Very good. Sugar and starch. Who answered that? Very good. Okay, so
chocolate.
So there are 2 types of carbohydrates. So we have sugar and starch. So these 2 belongs to carbohydrates. Okay, can you give me an example of food that is rich in sugar? Or these are foods that belong in carbohydrates and then they are rich in sugar.
Cookie.
Anybody?
Cookie.
Cake.
Cake.
Cookie.
What else?
Cookie. Cookie.
Cookies. Very good. So you can unmute your microphone if you want to answer. So we have cookies and cake. How about, so these are foods rich in carbohydrates. So the first one is rice. And the next one is potato. And the next one is bread. And also noodles, cake, and cookies. Which do you think of this food rich in starch? You said a while ago that cookies and cake rich in sugar. How about which of this food rich in starch?
Rice, potato, bread. And noodles.
Rice, potato, bread, and noodles, of course. So these four are rich in starch, okay? So the second one, or the second type of nutrient is protein. Everybody say protein.
Protein.
Protein or proteins. Okay, so these are amino acids that needed by diet, or these are essential in our body. So protein food, these are the building blocks of our body. What does it make in our, what does it do in our body? So it helps us to, in our hormones, for our blood, circulation of our blood. So it also major ingredients for, it helps also in our blood, in our circulatory system. So this helps building blocks of our body. So protein, how many grams do we need per kilogram of your body weight? For example, you are 45 kilograms of your body weight. So you need 45 grams of protein every day so that your body can develop, or it helps your body to get those energy that you need. So you need to get 1 per gram of protein is needed per kilogram of your body weight. So if your body weight is 50 kilograms, so you need 50 grams of protein. So what are the food? What do you think are the examples of food that rich in proteins?
Beans.
Eggs.
Nuts. Eggs. Beans.
Eggs, very good. What else?
Beans.
Beans. Okay, so what else?
Nuts.
Nuts. Okay, so those are all correct. Okay. So these foods are rich in protein. So your examples are all correct. So we have beans, nuts. So all nuts are good or rich in protein. And also eggs, meat, milk, and tofu. Do you eat this food? Do you like eating this food? Raise your hand if you like eating this food. Okay. So next
I eat everything except the tofu.
except the
Me too.
tofu.
I eat everything except beans, nut, and tofu.
You don't like beans?
Actually, I hate tofu.
You hate tofu. Me, I love tofu. Okay. So every day, I know that you drink milk here in the school, or at home you have your milk every day. So that is rich in protein. So it is good that you drink milk every day. So next is vitamins. So what is the work of, what does vitamins do in our body? Okay, so vitamins help maintain and repair our body tissues. Example, if you get wounded, okay, your body tissues repair it easily if you have a lot of vitamins in your body. It's also have fat solubles, okay? Fat can also get from this kind of food, okay? And vitamins are water soluble. What do we mean by water soluble? When we say water soluble, it means it can be dissolved in water, okay? So vitamins can be dissolved in water. So that is why fruits and vegetables are easily digested by our body. And also vitamins is good antioxidants for our body. It helps us to fight those bacteria, those different kinds of viruses outside, okay? So that is why we need to take vitamins, especially vitamin C, vitamin B, which rich in thiamine, So these are the vitamin B complex. Most vitamin C are, these are good to fight viruses, okay? And also, it has antioxidant C, E, and beta carotene or vitamin A, which is good for our eyesight, okay? The vitamin A. So now let's go to the different examples of food. Okay, please give me an example of food that is rich in vitamins. Can you name kind of foods that is rich in vitamins? Anyone?
The fruit.
You can look at your book.
Orange.
Orange. What else?
Apple.
Apple. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's have this one. So mostly, most fruits and vegetables, they are the food that rich in vitamins. Okay, so these are all food that is rich in vitamins. So we have oranges, grapes, bell pepper, an apple, and this lettuce, celery, and mangosteen, and most vegetables, okay? So if you want to get more vitamins for your body, you need to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. Do you like eating fruits and vegetables? Raise your hands if you
Yes.
like eating fruits and vegetables. Okay, good. You need that. Next, we have minerals. So where do you think we can get the minerals?
From everything that we eat.
From everything that we eat. Okay, so can you see there on the picture? So we can get different kinds of minerals from different kinds of food. So we need the 20 basic minerals. So these are the basic minerals that's needed by our body. So iron. So it helps in the formation of hemoglobin in our blood. This helps in our blood. It makes our blood red, the hemoglobin. So what are the food that you need to eat? So these are the food that you need to eat so that you can get iron. So apple, this one is a beetroot, and broccoli. This one, I don't, what is this one? What do you think is this? So these are the minerals that needed by our body. Calcium, we can get it also from egg and from milk. Calcium helps our body or our bones to strengthen our bones and teeth. So if you want to strengthen your bones or make your bones stronger, you can take a lot of food that rich in calcium. And also, if you want to have or to get potassium, you need to eat this kind of fruits. The potassium helps or required for the general growth and for keeping your body healthy. Also banana. Bananas rich in potassium and iodine, sodium, and fluorine. So these are good. Fluorine is good for your teeth and for your body, okay, or for your bones. Iodine is good for your thyroid gland and for your nervous system. So these are different kinds of minerals. Okay, so what do you think are the food that rich in minerals aside from those examples that we have?
The Spanish. The Spanish.
Spinach. Spinach or Spanish?
Spanish.
Spinach. Okay, so the spinach. Everyone say spinach.
Spinach.
Spinach is rich in minerals. Also fish, milk and yogurt, and nuts, cheese, and tofu. Remember, nuts is also good source of protein. It's also rich in protein and it also rich in minerals. Also, tofu and milk, they are rich in protein and they are also rich in minerals. And then spinach, rich in minerals and also in vitamins. And for fish, they are also rich in minerals and protein. So the next one is the lipids or the lipids or the fats. So we also need fats in our body. Most people, they don't like fats. But fats are also important to our body. It gives us highest source of energy. For example, you were trapped inside the cave. You will not die easily if you have a lot of fats in your body. It will be converted into energy that you can use. If you don't eat for 40 days and you have a lot of fats, you can still stay alive. Even if you don't eat until 40 days or 4 days or 7 days, you can still survive if you have a lot of fats in your body, but not that so much fat that you became obese. And these fats help your skin glow, makes you glowing, okay, and improve your immune system to fight against bacteria, fight against viruses. Okay, these fat, you need this for your body. So what are the food that rich in fat? Okay, please give examples of food that is rich in fat. Can you give some?
The butter.
Butter, very good. What else?
Cheese. Cheese.
Again?
The cheese.
Cheese. Okay, very good. So these foods are rich in fats. So we have oil, butter, and cheese. So these are good source or rich in fats. And the last one, we have water. So water is very essential in our body. Our body needs 2.5 liters of water every day. Do you drink water every day?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Because our body is 60% of water. Imagine your body has 60% of water inside of it. And it has this electrolytes. The water has electrolytes. Sodium, chloride, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These are also minerals that we can get from vegetables. Okay, so that is why water is very important. What are the 6? Let us review. What are the 6 types of nutrients? Can you give one? What's the first one? Before we go to our exercises.
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrates. What else? What's number 2?
Protein.
Proteins. What's number 3?
Vitamins.
Vitamins. What's number 4?
Minerals.
Minerals. And number 5?
Fats.
Fats. And number 6 is?
Water.
Water. Okay, so those are the 6 types of nutrients. Can you still remember the food? Examples of food that rich with those nutrients. Please don't forget our examples, okay? Because we will have exercises afterwards. Now, so we need to drink water, about 2 liters of water every day, or 2.5. So nutrients also have calories. So what are the nutrients that has or rich in calories? So as among the 6 nutrients, these 3 has or have high calories, okay? So the proteins, it has high calories, carbohydrates, and fats. So what is calories? These calories help us to get more fat, okay? Calories, it also helps our body to get energy. So in summary, our body needs food from all 6 basic group of foods. So do not just, if you don't like vegetables, you need to change your mind now. You should eat vegetables now, okay? Or if you don't like eating or drinking milk, so it's time for you to start drinking milk so that you can get the calcium that you need. And also you can get the protein that you need. So our body also needs balance, essential nutrition to maintain optimal health. So we need, why do we need to eat or to get those 6 types of nutrients? So that our body will become balanced, our mind and our body. And of course, the nutrients, why do we need to get those 6 basic nutrients for our body? Because it is nutrients needs vary in different people of all age group. So in our next topic, next meeting, we're going to discuss what are the nutrients needed by the different groups of people, okay, based on their age. So now, are you ready for an exercises or an exercise?
Yes.
Please get your book, okay? Do you have your book with you there? Kindly open your
Yes.
book on page 5, on page 6, and try to answer it for 5 minutes. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer, or 3 to 5 minutes. If you can finish it by 3 minutes, then you can answer or until 5 minutes. So this is the exercises that you need to answer. You're just going to match the types of nutrients to its description or its uses. Which do you think is the one that makes up 70% of our body? What is it? Is it the carbohydrate? Is it the protein?
What?
The fat? You answer there. Don't tell your answer. Answer it on your book, please.
Teacher, what page?
Page 6 of your book, textbook, okay? And help. Does everybody know how to read P6?
Yes.
I hope so. So this one is carbohydrate. So for those who cannot, or those who have hard time to read, please listen. This one is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, water, fiber, calcium. So which do you think there from the following makes up 70% of the body? And which of the following match it? You just connect, okay? Which of the following help in repair muscles? And a type of mineral that helps keep our bones strong. Which of the following is a type of mineral that helps keep our bones strong? And Which of the following is the body's main source of energy? Which do you think of the following nutrients is the main source of energy? And the last one, which of these helps remove solid wastes from the body more easily? Finish?
Yes.
Are you done, everyone? Would you like us to answer or check your answer, or I'll be the one to check the answer? So let's see. This is only practice exercises, okay? Because you still have your exercises in your workbook. So let's check our practice exercise. Check your own answer. Please get, if you have red pen, you can use red pen. Are you ready? Raise your hand if you're ready, or click the hands up there in your monitor or in your screen. If you are ready, show me your answer. Please show me your book that you answered it. Can you show it to the monitor, please? There, very good. I can see some. How about others? Others don't have their camera, but it's fine. Okay, so let's check if your answers are correct. Okay, so this is our answer. This is just a practice exercise, okay? So for carbohydrates, the body's main source of energy. Who got it correct? Raise your hands. Click the hand button there if you are correct for carbohydrates. There. Proteins help repairs muscles and tissues. Who are correct? Raise your hands. Okay, I see some hands. Very good. I see hands there. Okay, you can approve if you are correct. Fats make up part of the skin and keep us warm. Correct? Okay, very good. And water makes up 70% of our body or of the body. And fiber helps remove solid waste from the body more easily. And the last one is calcium. This is a type of mineral that keeps or helps keep our bones strong. 2, 4, 6. Who got 6 over 6? Raise your hands if you got 6 over 6. Very good. So this is just a practice exercise. So I'll just send you your homework for some other exercises, okay? So that ends our topic for today. Please don't forget the 6 types of nutrients and the example of food for each nutrients, and then what does it do to our body, and also try to look at the School Bright for your homework, okay? So that's it for today. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening. Thank you for waiting And I hope to see you again tomorrow. We have class, right? We have
Yes.
scheduled tomorrow. So see you again tomorrow. Try to review about the balanced diet. So we will have how to keep fit and how to make your diet or balanced diet. So we will have to do that next meeting. Okay? So see you again. For those who are not here, please try to review the lessons that I will post. Okay, see you again next meeting. Goodbye and thank you. So nice of you. I miss you. I want to see you soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.